with Zima TV. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Say thank you, brother. Say thank you, I love you, brother. Nah, no Zima. Thank you.
You'll be coming to Kolkata.
So guys, now I just realized I wanna cook, but I don't even have any grocery. So I was like, what can I do, man? And I was like, okay, let me just quickly go and grab some 1 or 2 stuff. You understand? I think shekwata kwa moms tafara kuzisiya manje. Shekwata kwa moms dika tafara kuzisiya. You understand? So yeah, let's go and get some 1 or 2 things. Guys, the crazy part is like panduka my shops. But distance vichana kusukura kusireka. Just that mara ine mkati, and then going to road to my shops and stuff. And then I just realized with Tagorama paper bags, I feel like it's really weird, you understand? I'm not used to it. When I was in SN, I go tenga masinangu ndenda nemota. There's some booty masinangu. Don't go boot some paper bag nanga shimden. So I came up with another. Came up with an idea. You're gonna need monarchy. I don't even know how they're gonna react to shop more with face. You are going to monarchy to tenga grocery. This is my monarchy. Here's my monarchy. Can you see it? So the thing is like Zim is so weird to vlog people. Go pino about the camera. I'm not sure the boy rather with you. But others, I was gonna show you how they were gonna react. But she was a tenga grocery ni monarchy. But to grocery to watch the monarchy. Guys, it's so fun and weird. Guys, look at this house. So nice, right? You can see my neighborhood is so nice and quiet. You understand? So guys, let's go and check what's popping. And I will show you some Tenga. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. The fun thing is like Kalis Kachona Karim phone Momo. Get into one Tenga. And that's crazy, man. So yeah guys, let's go and check with what's popping. One or 2 things. And I wanna cook a very meal rema broke niggas like me. So yeah guys, let's see to become meal rip. They want our broke get to meal. We don't cook since the fancy because we afford it. At pretend get any marriage to sina. Kana sina tina to shana your ground. So guys, let's go and check what's popping. Let's go. Thank you. Teaching me just that.
You can do like a ping.
Ani jana siya. Dodongo tenga masini kama. Amajari na so shada ngori mtena. Kingi chingo bizi. Ani kunya mufungo.
Aba. Mena swege.
Swege andika. Dozo tenga ni afira.
Como biscuits awami.
Maya. I think
morning guys, what's up guys? So boy praise, let's go do welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's another day, another dollar. So guys, the other thing chakuti kama nchikushipana hapa ndakuziswa na momzi yangu vakatungununa ndapinda pa gate vakutozoti ngoma nayo yozokwata maiziya ndakutozizwa kana kutoshanya ngonomboreso mchembe kuti munofara ere madodiko mboko maiziya. So guys, I've decided to go and buy my own stuff. Let me show you some shakona. And then today I'm gonna be cooking a meal. Should I call it an expensive or a fancy meal or something? Let's just say a fancy meal. No, a broke meal. Yeah, because fancy meal I did afford. So today we're gonna be cooking a broke meal naan and maize. So yeah, get to know this no better say in the stations monagrangu. Tenga ni mgoto wangu. Nema since narimo. I'm gonna show you everything. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing you where the trend. So mana strategy kanda totenga masina ngbepa. Vanhu vatofunga pamwe monaki pamwe ndine kwantu totoona totenga but siri nyowani. Zvitone ma papers nene. Sami ba natogara pamwe maybe ndikwantu vota se totenga monaki. Maize. Oro mushopo mo vatofunga pamwe maybe kutenga monaki na washipinde momo. Ndapedza kushopa masina angu manje. Vanazongoshamisa chikanda simonaki raka account. Ndisire munomo. Unfortunately ndasadza kutora content because maminyadzisa. Ishop inotengeswa netwaskana nati mabebe. Twanu kwakutonakirwa netwabebe twasho. Ndarozopeza kadodo bebe moment chimanya very fast. Because nina ndisikuita zvekujola. Maize. So yeah, ndatenga masini angu nesamuona ground then ruzwa. So I'm gonna show you sandatenga ndoita kanonzi ka grocery haul ke kana ka haul and then tora chigadzira ka expensive meal suri tatogadzira ka broke meal. So make sure stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Let's get it. So guys, ndo sandatenga mazai amekana sinotsemuka namaisa mbegi futimo and yeah, Vita, and of course, why not Coral Soft? Guys, do you still remember the challenge that we won? Na Tanaka, Pakimi Tanaka, doing the challenge at Coral Soft. Apwa, monochurume hakwa. Arume, hakwa, gazi is always, it's msanu miravan. Please, don't smell, don't be disgusting, don't be boring. Hakwa, spray in eyes wrong. So, yeah, if this young guy shall spray, hapwa. So the thing is shower, that's really boring. I'm not going to say. And then, obvious, I love to trip. So yeah, I bought some sauce. And then, pure golala, guys. I don't know much about Zim products. So when the thing I got, please let me know. And then I bought this one, guys. I feel like my soil comes out opera. So I still remember that I prefer Yangu Balaos, even though I don't know this new design. I prefer Yangu Balaos. Kangengene ka green, so it's tropical tropical fruit. I mean, so yeah, that's why I bought Balaos. Mazoe plus not today. Shakari. I'm gonna buy it though. I found go shake them then. And for special occasion. They vayenzi makwaenda kupe mazoe. So you guys see. So so there is no kumbira vakizana. So yana natenga ne munyocho. And boom. Ineka sponge babu kacho kekuita se. Kekusukisa. Mafuta clear. Mamsa mafuta mno mna into nozora kwa mamsa yangu. Chibira ka sister kangu. And then tangy mayonnaise. What else? Raja. Anzi nonzi madras. Anzi yakufana ni Raja. And then long grain. Kelolo. So guys, look at the thing who is a broke man in Zimbabwe. Yeah. Then I ndo masina chana ndo groceries wacho. Tunakwanza kutenga share one bachura manyama. You understand? Indone wardrobe yangu. Wardrobe nanaenda nayo shopping kunesa masina grocery. So wardrobe sasa ndo bed. Yembe sasa ndo bed. And bed renkomana asara warito, as you can see. So guys, let me quickly make my bed and then we'll start preparing the meal. Make sure stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. You like, you comment. Oh guys, I bought this also. Let me show you. I show you everything, right? Okay. So here we got some tomatoes and onions, as you can see. And then spoon yana ya kubigisa. So check. I feel like azvizoite kuti ushandise plastic yese kudirisa sauti mu plate azviti so kuwakawanza. Then mugwako wacho unfortunately tenda share gray, so I had to measure these ones. You understand? And then lastly but not least, cooking stick. Ne dish towel. Look at the dust. Look at the dust. So at least nakatenga. You see? Bachura manyama. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. Let's get it. So guys, according to personal hygiene and those here, munhu before wind up at 12 or usara na kitchen, ice cream guy. Guys, can you hear it? Anyways, let me mind my own business. Okay guys, I was saying munhu before wapinda kitchen or before wabata chikafu, you should bath first. You should brush your teeth and make sure that your armpits they are nicely cleaned and shaved and bathed. You understand? So guys, I'm done brushing my teeth, and now I'm just gonna quickly take a cold shower before ndabata mapoto. Let me show you. Let's go. We got Lifebuoy. I don't know if you can clearly see it. And then ndochekutanga chatinogesa nacho. Page 2 we got coral soft. Azvinyadzise ukaona kuti unyara nazvo haupukuti unongosimuka ndoereva nape coral soft. Page 3 a nice towel. So guys, let's go in bath. Make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video till the end. Let's go in bath. What's good guys? So guys, basically I'm going to refill my gas and to take my mealie meal, and then you're gonna cook with me, so I promise you guys. So make sure you stay tuned, you watch the video to the end, you like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more content. You understand? Let's go, let's get it. So guys, I just bought a new whip. Cameraman, you can hold here. Life of YouTubers. Life of YouTubers. Can go create a motor moon. We just bought a new whip, guys. Was not auto don't let out drive. I'm not going to be some. So guys, I finna go and fill up my gas tank, and then after that, do just a good travel for number 10. Guys, my person don't drive. I'm Sega, and this is my new whip. You understand? We out here in the hood. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. You watch it and I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be showing you that up my shops, that filler gas, getting my mealie meal and stuff. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video to the end. Let's go, let's get it. Oh, you I guess that fit when I'm married. YouTube before roadcast on the bad ramar zakawanda. Was married zakandifita. I can feel it, I can see it with my can't fit in. But you don't go to yes in Zacho. Zacho naga. Kana ndato botogiro marumuzwana. Waiza kungo shape kwa. Go shape kwa zotopera. Ale zasema round.
Takango kachora chiko.
Chitofamba.
Yeah, me tofamba.
Chakapushi.
Unogona sikufamba baba.
Chitofamba. So guys, now I'm going to take my mealie meal. Ndapedza kufila gas rangu. And yeah, taking my mealie meal. So yeah. Pinda mugeto tuenda pashopira apa. So yeah guys, make sure you stay tuned. So yeah guys, natora offer wangu free promo. Unonzi chi Zim Pride free promo. So yeah, let's go and see what are we gonna cook for tonight. So yeah guys, as usual, I think you know it, ice cream nyango kuchinaya nyango kuchita say yebo chakatombechanisa. So yeah, let's go and get some meat and then to big a special mika to big. Let's go and get it. So guys, I just bought ka vruvos ka sosimbi kacho, and then yeah, now we're gonna go and get ka cabbage. And yeah, stay tuned. Maybe this one. Okay, so yeah guys, I really miss cooking. Like, I really miss cooking. Ladies, let me show you how it's done. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show you the thing that has been cooked. Let me show you what has been making me stay sing. Because asana namkaza anugona kubika. Let me show you how it's done, ladies. So guys, I just realized it. I need to start by putting this thing up. Then I have to put it on this pipe, as you can see. Okay, I think I have to put this clipper here first, and then do that. So I don't even know why I'm doing this now on the end, because it's a risky thing that needs 2 hands. But yeah, due to my professionalism, I'm just gonna do it with 1 hand to show you what's popping, and then here to a clipper. So guys, about another 2 hands. So guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put this thing up, you understand? And then the connector for this thing to say request of you. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna show you gonna stuff your back. Let's go. Let's get it. Are you ready for ooh yeah? Ooh yeah. Yeah. Ndikumbundire. Fura meso nditarire. Ndokpardo sadikanganwe. Rudo rwangu harutengeswe. Na omiwa mitaliwa sweetiwa mtali wangu sikavila makweza moyo muti wakaberekera michero pachipfuwa changu guys, do you know what my songs were? They are now living rent free in my mind. Naimbupenga netarira rira tatarira tiripa miripe gungwa uchanoniona uchasimudza ruoko tarira inira pamaria ndiripa ndiripenzera uchanoniona uchasimudza kuratidza mafeelings rudo runonakidza pandambiyeno ikoko. Guys, I really don't know the songs but I really enjoy them. So you guys stay tuned and let me start the thing. Let's go. Let's start listening to the music while I'm doing my things. Let's go.
Be my bro. Okay. Anziru doi bof. Shua panajanda una. Zvaifura nekumberi kwangu. Pamwe ndisina mbona. Zvakundinetsa kuvhuma kuti ndiwe wakundidara. Ndazeza kufema ana namufara. Kutaza kurara. Ufunga iwe. Say you chindidaro. Say you chindidaro. ndaenda zverudo zvagumira pano ini ndasarenda zverudo hapashina mazuva mazhinji pakarenda ndogona kungozvida ndega kana kutamba ndega ndaifunga ndini ndegawe wakakomberedzwa ndichikuremekedza zausingaone bandaitraya one bandaishanda one bandaitraya sei uchindidaro sei uchindidaro sei uchindidaro sei uchindidaro pamwe una moyo pamwe una moyo dai une moyo wako dai tiri kure 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 pamwe una moyo pamwe una moyo dai une moyo wako dai tiri kure 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 Andichauya sokutora omwe isere nematola vakandida pava vandishora indikupasa urishowa achati mwana wedu chana chedu ndauya sokutora omwe isere nematola pawandipindura ndichitesta apa vange vati ndinomecha rudo rwandakopa waipesta sibrando wanditemesa musoro maybe I got a question tawakada chipa na gangstein ukandipa one I go come for more what did you do we go be alone yeah tata lira ndiripa mbiri benzira ukatondiona
So yeah, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you laugh with me, I'm gonna block you on my channel. I'm telling you, I'm blocking someone. Let's go.